That's cool.
Oh, what is this?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
Where you just put them inside the.
Oh, what is that?
So you can download it.
Did you see the flower one? That you put with the flower? It's like a daisy, actually.
That's bad
You put it in the seed and you-
He's so bad.
Really?
What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to crack open a whole bunch of Hot Wheels. I got a bunch of main lines and a couple of premium from the Boulevard set. And yeah, I'm really stoked about these. I even got one from this weird orange and blue set. This is the only one I found that I wanted. There was a bunch of these other cars, that Gazella R, there was a bunch of those, and Project Speeders. But this was the only real car that I could find in the set. I see there's a Camaro. I would love to find that one, of course. But yeah, but for now, let's go ahead and crack this one open and start off this video. Hope you guys are having a great Labor Day. I know I am. I barely got out of bed. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this is a neat looking car. Metallic orange and metallic blue. Very, very nice. Metallic blue mesh BBS type wheels. Very nice. Got some plastic chrome down here. Yeah, very nice little Porsche collection. It's got some side view mirrors and black interior. And I'm super stoked. But yeah, I found most of these cars like yesterday and the day before. And yeah, I've just been kind of chilling out today. Let's see, next up we got this Nissan Leaf. It is an electric car, new for 2021. You guys know me, I'm not the hugest fan of electric cars, but you know, I found this for $1 and I figured I'd at least crack it open on camera and take a look at it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We got some black PR5s with a red lip on each of the rims. We got a metal wing. No side view mirrors. We do got some nice headlights. An emblem work up front. Looks pretty good. No taillights though. There we go. Nissan Intelligent Mobility. And then there's the base right there. Yeah, that's alright. I mean, I don't hate it or anything, but it's not my cup of tea. Alright, next one up. We got us an old school AMC Rebel Machine from the Muscle Mania set. Very, very cool. It's only my second AMC in the whole collection, and the other one I have is like an RLC exclusive. Alright, there we go. Nice, we got a red, white, and blue type theme going on with some red 5SPs. Goodyear Tempo right there. Nice black grille, chrome bumper. Same on the back, and another plastic chrome base. Yeah, real nice. Windows roll down with a black interior. Definitely a cool muscle car for the collection. I'm actually pretty down with AMC. I think that was a cool company. Next up, we got a recolor of the Nissan R390 GTI, which is new for this year, of course, from the factory fresh set. Alright, there we go. Very nice looking car. Very race out. Got some chrome 5SPs. Oh wow, nice headlights and emblem detail. I don't remember that from last time. Very nice. Hey, we even got tails. Check that out. Very nice. Black plastic base. No side view mirrors. Windows are rolled up. And I bet that one's great on the track. I just bet you it is. Alright, there we go. Next one up is another recolor of the R8 Spider. Very awesome. Hot Wheels Exotics. I really love the R8 in real life. It's a great looking car. They're so cool. There we go. Nice beautiful blue. Some chrome PR5s. Black interior. Again, really nice emblem work and headlights. Very cool. Nice, nice, nice. Really, really like that. Good looking car. Very nice. I dig that one. Alright, next one up is, hey, a recolor of the Bronco. Really stoked to find this one. I know the resellers are trying to get a lot for these from the then and now set. Very awesome. Alright, neat little two-door Bronco. Big side view mirrors, really bright orange paint, which is pretty cool. Some off-road bead locker wheels, big old fender flares. Nice. Nice realistic grille work. No taillights, but it's alright. There's our black plastic base. And I really like that this has Bronco and the emblem right there, the logo. Very cool. Very subtle. Very nice. That one, I mean, it's a Hot Wheels, so they all roll nice, but that one rolls like super nice. It doesn't want to stop. It just wants to keep on going. And this one, I gotta be honest, I never thought I was gonna find in the wild, but I found this for $1. The scalpers are wanting almost 20 bucks for this one on eBay, which is crazy. Love this vehicle. One of my buddies, he just got his son one of these, which is pretty neat for his first car. From Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, Toyota Land Cruiser 80, new for 2021. I want to get another one just to keep it packaged. Every now and then I do that. But this one, it's got to be set free. And there it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Realistic headlights. Nice. Let's see the tails. No tails, but we can live with it. It does have side view mirrors, roll down windows, black interior. Got these off-road 5-spoke wheels. Nice little grille guard with some Baja lights. Dope. I would love this one. I'm so happy to get this. There's our spare right there. And this is another one I hope to make a premium of. So awesome. Speaking of premium, I also just ordered pre-ordered another set. There's a set coming up of premiums with a Land Rover 90, a Defender 90. You guys know I love those. I've been wanting a premium with that forever. They're dropping an all black one. Ugh, I can't wait to get it. It's gonna be so sick. I spent the whole day today pretty much organizing all my extra Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. I have so many, it's ridiculous. But anyway, now let's get into these premiums. From the Boulevard set, we got the 66 GTO, and even in the package, this thing is crazy heavy. I don't think it's going to fit on my Plano wall, unfortunately, because I do love my Pontiacs, but I had to get it. There we go. Crack this open and set it free. There we are. Yeah, I just love this color. It is really nice, like an ice blue, a little pinstriping on the side. Beautiful Krager wheels, rubber tires with tread. Metal base, of course. Beautiful. Look at this big, huge car. Oh, wow. Those stacked headlights are so sick. Nice details. Black leather interior. The taillights also look fantastic. Yeah, this car is dope for real. Yeah, that is so sick. A huge car, but it is dope. Beautiful. Let's see, next one up. Let's go ahead and crack open this Bug. This is so cool too. Love this. This is so rad. A Volkswagen classic Bug. Very awesome. All right, there we go. Awesome wheel selection. I love that they're tiny in front and humongous in the rear. I love that. So cool. Awesome purple metallic paint. See that Volkswagen emblem? Really nice. Headlights look good. So are the tail lights. Very cool. Looks like it's got a hitch. Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry, that's an exhaust. My bad. Dope. Love this one. I was just noticing the other day too that all the Volkswagen Beetles in my collection are premium. I don't have any like regular mainline ones. That one is so awesome. All right, last one for this video is this amazing custom 1970 Chevy Nova. Also from Boulevard. This thing is bonkers. Let's look at the back of the card real quick, because that Superbird was there, but I passed on it. I like it. It's cool, but I have a couple, and I can't put them on the Plano wall, on the Hot Wheels wall of awesomeness, so I don't know what to do with them. If that DeLorean was there, I would have got it, but unfortunately, it was not. But yeah, this is a really cool set, and I really like this this vehicle right here. This is really cool. It's custom Nova. There we go. Just look at this thing. It's almost the same color as my truck. Very, very close. Mine's, I think, probably a little bit lighter. This thing is beautiful. SS right there. It's like it's got a wide body kit. Got super wide. Got an X brace in the back. So sick. Just one seat, because it is definitely a race car. And that's supposed to mimic carbon fiber, I'm pretty sure. So it's got a carbon fiber hood. This wing is plastic, but it looks all right. Taillights look pretty good. Real basic, but they look good. What's going on there? Let's get a little bit more light. What does that say? I can't read it, but it's all right. Let's see. You got those deep dish 5-spoke wheels, slicks made of rubber, black metal base. And this thing is a beast. What a monster of a car. It's super wide. This is an instant classic. What a badass car. That wide body kit just rules. So sick. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, you guys, that was the video. That was everything I had to crack open today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I sure did. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite, which was your least favorite. And if you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos all the time. And if you collect diecasts like I do, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll catch you dudes next time.